Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be taking 3 creative fall inspired photos, so feel free to use these photos for inspiration or whatnot and just enjoy. Make sure to leave a comment and subscribe. It'd be very much appreciated by me. And quick note that my lighting in this, it sucks. Again, I don't know why. Like, over half of my videos end up being so badly lit and I need to work on it. I need help. So but yeah, make sure to watch this in 1080 HD. It's in your settings and it's super easy and it makes it just so much better. Trust me, just so much better. So without further ado, let's get started. Let me just get situated here. Alright, so first of all, we are gonna work with some leaves. So I just went on a walk with my mom and got some leaves. Oh, there we go. Just collected them from the neighborhood. A lot of them are really like crunchy, spicy. But I think they will make my picture just look more interesting. And then we've also got the teapot. You know, kind of fall is when all the warm beverages come out. You just snuggle up and everything gets colder, which is kind of ironic because right now it's like 90 degrees here. So it's not quite adding up to the aesthetic, but I think it will work anyways because it technically is autumn, so you know, we just gotta work with this. Okay, so I've kind of decided to do kind of like a self-timer style where I'm going to put this on a 10-second timer, dash over here, hope I don't knock anything down, and just sit there and let it do its thing and hope that me in the background will make it look more interesting than just like my plain, messy bedroom. Always just be so clumsy. Any other clumsy takers out there? Alright, so next I'm gonna take a picture of an outfit. I just threw some some cute clothing that I think would go nicely together. And if you haven't watched it already, I have a whole video on how to take pictures of your clothes, so go watch that for more details. But it's basically just scrambling around until you just have something nice. And I'm gonna actually use my phone camera to take this picture, but just to show you that it's totally something that you can work with. Alright, so I have a crate here and I put some sweaters in it and 3 pumpkins and a few leaves just to make it, you know, sort of have that fall vibe. And I'm also gonna put on some boots, set that bad boy to a self-timer, and then just, you know, take a picture of probably like a little above my knee down in the boots and this.